Jamaicans made the trek to Halfway Tree in St. Andrew in their numbers on Sunday evening to send their loudest message to the authorities as well as the gay and lesbian community.
We want all to know, near and far, here and overseas, that Jamaica will not bow. Jamaica will not bow to illogical ideas that will only further destroy the family life that we now have.
It was a rallying cry for Jamaicans to reject homosexual lifestyles. Father Richard Ho Long said enough was enough and wholesome family values must be protected.
Man and woman are made to be together. Man and woman bring forth picnic.
The public rally was organized and led by Churches Action Uniting Society for Emancipation, known as Jamaica Cause. The convener of Hear the Children's Cry warned parents to exercise significant vigilance on the textbooks and new literature being introduced.
Be alert, pay attention, and be familiar with the words diversity, sexual rights, sexual orientation, genderization, human rights. All of those words you must watch out for. When your children come home with their textbooks, make sure you read every line in the textbook, because there are people in this country and outside of this country that want to corrupt our children.
The Jamaica Cause movement got ringing endorsements from clergymen across the Caribbean as well. Philip Gomes, a prominent pastor from Anguilla, told the large gathering that the Christian community should not be cowed into silence for speaking in defense of strong family values.
We have come to say that since there is a united kingdom, a united states, and a united nations with a dark anti-freedom, anti-God agenda, then there must not just be a Jamaica cause, but a united Caribbean cause. We know the truth, and we will not be silent. We have come to say to the world we stand as one against the false science and arguments of homosexuality and gay marriage.